Alright guys, Jane everyone, welcome to today's live stream. Today is going to be amazing one. Okay, so just stay with me while we move it together. Okay, alright. So in our last class, let me drop a welcoming message. The good part. So Jane guys, good morning wherever you are in the part of the world, afternoon and evening. Thank you for joining. Thank you for always coming around to learn the basic of trading. Thank you, lovely bird. June. So I hope you can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, type yes, I can hear you. Alright, so before we start trading, I want to introduce KuCoin Exchange app because I'm a streamer in KuCoin Exchange, and I enjoy using KuCoin Exchange to trade. So I'm going to drop link for you over here. The first link I'm dropping is for you to sign up, which will take you directly to your Play Store. You download, you complete your KYC, and after completing your KYC, and if you are interested in the ongoing airdrop campaign, which is going for streamers, you can also participate in the 200k reward pool. Okay, dollars reward pool. So I will advise everyone here to also partake in this opportunity and do what, and earn while you learn. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, because some of you here might say, oh, I'm gonna learn, I don't have this and that. Don't worry, KuCoin is here for you. Just hit the button right there, subscribe to this YouTube video. After you have done that, you download the app. I'll be waiting for you right here if you haven't done that, so that we can both flow together. You download the app, complete the necessary things we have to do. So it is already in my description section, but for people that can't see it, I'm going to drop it also in the comment section. I don't really like stressing my students. Okay, so that is it. That is the link. Jane, lovely babe, please, can you hear me? If you can hear me, type you can hear me. All right, so in our last class we talk about how to trade. We talk about how to trade each ranging market, right? But before that, let me show you how the KuCoin. This is how the KuCoin exchange looks like, right? This is how it looks like. right? So let me explore some features in KuCoin here so that you understand how to use it. Here, first tab here is the home page, which is what you honestly going to see. The first page, right? This is the first page. Here shows the number of assets you have. You can close it if you don't want people to see it. And here also is a list of tokens in which you have to trade, right? Is a list of tokens in which you have to trade. So yeah, this icon here is where you're going to see some account security tabs. If you haven't set up your two-factor authenticator, this is how you're gonna do it, right? That's the security section of it. And we also have the market types. Here you see all the token on spot, but we are not trading spot. We move over to futures because that's where we want. And you can see the newly launched project on KuCoin exchange. As you can see, Bit just listed at 0.4, Fox just listed at $6, Allo just listed at 0.1, PVR just listed at 0.3. All these are new tokens, right? Drachmo Digram just listed at 0.01. So these are tokens, right? These are newly launched tokens. So that's how to explore KuCoin exchange. It's a very amazing apps. These are notifications telling you what the whales are doing in the market. You can use this also, which also helps in your trading journey. This is really nice and amazing, and I will advise each and every one of you to download the KuCoin exchange app and use it to trade. Okay, trade futures with KuCoin exchange app. You are going to earn massively. You can also come to the futures here. This is where our trade takes place. You buy, you sell over here. You set your leverage here. Is it 3? You want to set it to 75. Remember, the leverage is that if the price drops by around 4%, the estimated profit loss will be 100%. So it's always preferable you bring your leverage low, not too high and not too low, for you to have enough profit. So nevertheless, we are going to be using our trading view for this tutorial. So let's go over to tutorial and talk about what we did in our last class. In our last class, I explained what we call the alright, you can hear me. We explain what we call the ranging market, right? We explain what we call the ranging market. Right, and we say that ranging market is a kind of market in which its area is an area of consolidation, right? In which its area is an area of consolidation. So I'm going to show you a lot of things about that. I'm going to show you a lot of things about that. As you can see, we first of all look at the direction of the market. You see that the market here was in an upward direction, right? Are you seeing it? We know that the market was in an upward direction, and this is our order block, right? So today class, we're going to talk about how to trade live ZEC to USDT, analyzing the market with you, and we check out which direction the market will go, right? Are you seeing? So for you, are you seeing it? You take it to the right. This is the last red candle in which the market touched before coming back. So this is a very strong order block, right? The point of interest is for the market to come over, for the market to come over here and pick a good buy, right? So that is just it. And also, where is another order block? We also have another strong order block here. Isn't it? All these are order blocks, so is what we expect in the market to always do, right? This is order block. Are you seeing it? This is another also order block. Order block. Are you seeing it? That is still the same thing. So what are you going to expect the market to do? And as you can see, this order block was respected. See what happened in the market. The last green candle before the market sold off is our order block for you. Isn't it? The last green candle. Isn't it? Isn't it? Have you seen what happened here in this other block? Have you seen it? See what happened to the market? The market come down, came down, go up, come down again, then touch this order block, move up again, come down again, and move up. So now, what we'll be waiting for right now, right, is for the market to either the market hits here or come down, because right now that we have seen this, have you seen it? This was our highest higher high, came down again, sorry, lower high, create a lower low, come down again. That's not where you're going to do this. As you can see, this can move to the this is what happened in the market. Isn't it? See what is happening in the market. Isn't it? Isn't what is happening in the 30-minute time frame? He respected it. The market is coming down. So as the market is coming down, now, guess what is happening? Guess what is happening in the market now? This was our higher low, right? It created lower low here. This lower low did not break. It came down all the way to here, to this swing low. Come down again here. Create another one here. Using it. It broke. Come down here. So let us do that one. This is what we should. This should be our target. Now see it here. This is another other block. So see what happened in the market. Market came down, create another higher low, lower high. Market came down, create another lower low, create another lower high, create another lower low. You see the way market is moving. Create another lower low. Using it after creating this, it came back again. It came back again. Small inducement. Market down. Produce another one. Right. Using it. Using the direction of the market. Using it. Using it. This is just exactly of it. Now, when this took place, right, this was our liquidity before the market went up. That is our liquidity. Now, the change of character is just occur somewhere. Instead of creating a higher low, the market went and created a higher high from here, and the market was now moving in upward direction, creating higher highs. Now from here now, it was creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. You see, so now this is still testing it. So what we are going to do we are going to wait for you to enter a buy position from here. You will wait for the market. You wait for the market to cross here. Once it creates another higher high, from this position, right? Once there's another higher high from this position, we can decide to enter a long entry from here, because already this is our liquidity. There's a liquidity here that is pushing the market upward, right? So that's what you're going to wait for. Once it breaks here and hits this point of interest, because our main aim now is for the market to reach our point of interest. This is our point of interest, right? This is our point of interest, POI. That's our point of interest. So once the market reach point of interest, what do we have to do? We look for a sell position. We look for a sell position for somewhere here. You look for a sell position for somewhere here using liquidity. Then we drag it to here, right? That will be our sell position. So we are going to take it slightly above our previous higher low. So this is what we are thinking. We are keeping space for spread, right? We are keeping space for spread. So this is what we'll be expecting the market to do. This is what we'll be expecting the market to do. So that is it. This is what we'll be expecting the market to do. So that is it. This is our POI. Our point of interest. This is our point of interest, right? So we wait for it to reach here, then we enter a trade to this other liquidity. So you are looking for a buy setup from here, a sell setup from here. So right now it's about to form a bullish candle. So I don't know if what is going to happen. If at all you want to enter a buy position, you wait for it to break this. There's also a liquidity from here. Yeah. You wait for it to break here too. Then you can enter a buy position from here. And if you enter a buy position from here, you set your stop loss below this in case of spread and take your take profit down here. So that is what we are waiting. That is what we are waiting for. A buy setup, right? That's what we'll be waiting for also. So that is a buy setup. That's what we'll be waiting for, right? Right. Then you take your stop loss below this. Then you take this one above this. So that is also a massive profit for us. So we are going to wait for the trade to play out, and what we are going to do, this is structural liquidity, trading structures, okay, and liquidity. You say this is the price in which the market is going to go up, so we wait for it. So you are going to wait for it, for the market to go up. So that is it. We're waiting for confirmation. Well, that happened. So beside that, we can go back to 1 hour to check what ZEC is. A volatile coin, so the probability of it to go higher and higher and higher. You see, it's a very bullish market. This is a 4 hours time frame. Want to see if I'm going to see example, because market bounce is bound to repeat itself. See the way market pump, massive. Isn't it? is the same thing that is about to take place. Okay, we'll see what happened. This was our order block before the last green candle, before the market sold off. This was it. Have you seen it? The last green candle before the market sold off. Now guess what happened? Market was creating higher lows, higher and lower lows, higher lows, lower low, till the market turned down to here. And once you hit that price, what happened? Market sold off. You see, market sold off. So you would have waited for you to enter this trade. You would have waited for a confirmation of a bearish candle. After a bearish candle is formed, right? You would have entered this trade. Have you seen it? Then you set your stop loss just above this, right? So that would have made a massive amount of profit. So you know how to do it, and we are going to wait for it to happen. So this is, we also look for another example of type 1 liquidity. This is already an example of type 1 liquidity. This was a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That is not a valid higher low. Forms another higher high. This one breaks the previous higher low. See what happens. The example of type 1 liquidity. So while we are waiting for our market to form, we are waiting for it to form. Have you seen a big candle? Is a bullish candle is about to form, and once the price breaks it, you know the price is going up. Wait for it. So this is it. So let's keep waiting while checking what the market is about to do. If it's going to break our previous low, then we can enter the market. But already this is liquidity. There is liquidity. That is our liquidity. So that is it. We are waiting for it to create another higher high, then we buy. Okay, so what we are going to expect here is that market, for example, for market, for example, isn't it? Once it breaks here, the market will retest down here. Will retest down here. I mean, this is what we'll be expecting from the market to do. We'll be expecting this. You're going to create a swing high here. Once you create a swing high, it's going to come back. Going to come back. Going to come back. Then take another one down. Yeah, our point of interest. That's what we're expecting the market to do. But let's just check it out. Let us see the direction of the market. Let's see what market will do. Let's see what the market will do. You can see our order block is being respected. Our order block is being respected. So that is it. We are waiting for it to take place. Using it. You can also check different tokens from your end. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm going to go through it. Okay. So this is so already we know that ZEC is currently trading at ZEC is currently trading at coming. It's currently trading at $617.81 US. So that is it. So we'll keep watching the market to see what the market is doing. If it's going to respect what we are saying. So that is it. Market is coming up and down. So in the market, you just have to already. Let's check the candle formations that was from here. If you can check this candlestick here, no candlestick pattern, it already shows that the market, people in the market is going So we are waiting, as you can see. Shooting star candlestick pattern just showed from there. Right. So we are waiting for our target. This is our target. This is our target so far. This is our target. So let it just reach there. Then we'll take a sell position. So that is ZEC. So you know, in trading, you just have to check how things before. But can we also kindly check what is happening in the grid? The cycle. We come to Chrome. Go to our grid cycle. I've forgotten what I wanted to show you, but let's keep waiting. Is it cash? See what market did. Market is creating a series of lower low here, and it has broke these support. So from there, I can just take a short position from there. It took up. The same strategy. So if you enter this market now, euros to US dollars is forex for you. Risk to 1:7 risk to reward ratio, right? For 5 minutes. This is what you should do. 1.15290 and what? And what? 1.15700, 290 and what? $700, 290. $700, 290 and 943. So let me check something coming. Alright. 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 One point 1.1590, right? 940. That was 1.15, 1.15280, 15280. All right. So that was for gold. Let's go back to our trading to check what is being formed there. All right. So if you haven't signed up with KuCoin, remember to do so. Let's see what's happening with our ZEC, because it's a high volatile market. The market is moving, as you can see. The market is moving. Let's wait for it to hit our point of interest before we do anything else. So once you enter your point of interest, you want to take a sell target from here. This is our sell target. So right, this is our sell target. So we're gonna put it at, this is our sell target. So that's what we're going to do. So now let's head over to KuCoin. You want to enter this trade right now. Want to enter this trade right now. You want to enter this trade right now. You know that your entry is 744. Your take profit is 584.86. Then 744. Your stop loss 766. So you go to your KuCoin exchange, because that is what we'll be working on. You log in. After logging in, you head over to, you see, ZEC is already here. It's in a bullish momentum way. So you see, ZEC, what the ZEC is trying to do. Using this liquidity. Using what is happening in ZEC. Using what he's trying to do. And 1 hour, this is 1 hour time frame. So you go to 5-minute time frame. Using it. Market is going down, going down, going down. So if you are looking for a buy setup, you wait for it to break this. So this is another order block. So that's what is happening. You can see going up, coming down, coming down. If it should break it, we know that it's gonna be a buy position, but if it should retest and come down, we know that the market is going to go down. So that is it, and that is how to analyze it. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so once the market reach our target, we are gonna head over and check what happens in the chart. Okay, so thank you guys for joining. It's amazing live streaming. At least I've shown you the direction on how ZEC is working on, and I'm very happy that you have learned a lot today. So thank you for joining, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. Once you reach the market, you're gonna enter the trade right now. Okay.